delicious monster. I see you making a Malva pudding with a bit of a twist. I know Malva pudding is very standard on a lot of menus. The diners love it, etc. But what are you going to do today that's so different?
So Malva pudding is traditionally South African. So it's my take on it is carrot cake with Malva pudding. So it's an infusion like how you get your cheesecake and brownies, but this is traditionally South African with a twist.
Good.
So Mzansi style.
I'm going to leave you and you can carrot on.
Today I'm going to be adding 600 grams of hot pudding mix. I have nutmeg for that warm spice as well as cinnamon, which I'm going to add to the mixer. And then I have 500 ml of milk, which is going to go in as well. So I'm going to start it on low, just till it combines. And now I'm going to increase the speed. And now I'm going to add in my carrots, which is 300 grams of grated carrots. So that goes in. As well as some roughly chopped pecan and walnuts. It's really that simple. Everything just goes into the mixer and you mix. My favorite part. And that is done. So I've already sprayed the pans, and I'm just gonna put half the mixture into it. You just want an even layer. What I remember about Malva pudding is that it's the best served hot with a jug of custard on the side, warm custard, and that sauce that's just poured over that just makes it amazing. So as you can see, my cakes are done and they're going to go into the oven. Okay, so now I'm going to make my cream cheese frosting, because what is carrot cake without cream cheese? So I have a tub of mascarpone cheese that goes in. And I have cream cheese. That also goes in. I have a bit of icing sugar and lemon juice, because we all love that kick. And for the final, which is the sauce, I have a bowl of toffee sauce, which is about half a cup. And here I have cream that I've already started boiling. So I'm just gonna add this toffee sauce. We just want the sauce to heat up. That's why I started off with the cream first. And then I'm just gonna mix this through. You can see that's mixed through and it's so hot. And I'm going to go straight to the cakes. And I'm gonna pour it over the cake. Nicely. Just a good amount. So I'm just going to poke a little bit more holes just to allow the toffee sauce to seep through more easily, just to give it a bit of shove basically on both cakes. And I'm just going to let it stand for about 5 minutes just so it allows more to go through, and then I will put it in the fridge to chill. Once it's chilled, we will assemble the cake. So now that these cakes have been cooled with the toffee sauce over, I'm going to assemble them, which is my favorite part. So I have my cream cheese frosting. So I'm gonna just pop this on. So I'm going to put the next cake over. Goes. And now I'm gonna put more on the top. Don't be afraid to pile on your frosting. The best part is when each bite has a generous amount of cream cheese frosting to Malva pudding / carrot cake. So I've made this really cool chocolate scrolls, and I'm just gonna pile a good amount of them on the center. And flowers, because I love flowers. And mint leaves, because for me, I think a mint leaf just adds a pop of color, and it's perfect for any dessert. So there you have it, my carrot cake / Malva pudding.